Webull versus Robinhood. Let's start with Webull. Webull is a trading platform designed for active investors who want advanced charts, technical indicators, and more control over their trades. It supports stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. Robinhood, on the other hand, is known for simplicity and ease of use. It is popular as commission-free trading and is great for beginners who want to invest in stocks, ETFs, and crypto and fractional shares. So let's talk about their pros. Webull offers an advanced charting and technical analysis tools. It also has a level 2 market data. It supports options, crypto, and extended hours trading, and there's no more account minimums or commissions. While Robinhood offers an extremely user-friendly and beginner-focused platform. It also has fractional shares and recurring investments. It also has a clean UI and instant account setup. It also offers a high-yield cash account, and it also supports stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. So choose Webull if you're a motive active trader who wants powerful tools and better analytics, and choose Robinhood if you're a beginner or a casual investor who wants simplicity and easy access to the market.